Hi, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in the class, I have discussed about class, objects and inheritance in Java concept. So I already discussed class, object and inheritance. So now I have to discuss about the concept of abstraction. So abstraction is nothing but you have to given the essential information to the user. So if they have to need the information means they have to use that particular method inside the class which they are created. So this is the process. So once I have to create it, so this is the process of hiding in certain information which they are given in a particular class, and we have to show the essential information to the user which we have to create. So in this we have to use the abstract method, abstract keyword to creation of methods. So for example, I have to create the class animal. So this is my class name. So inside the class I have to define, I have to create a method for this process. So I have to create the method name as animal sound. So in this class, in this method, I have to define abstract keyword in front of the method name. So I have to given the public abstract void that method name. So when I have to given this keyword as abstract, so this method can be used only when the user have to need. So once you have to create this method, method name as abstract method, so you need not to define this method. So abstract animal sound. So this animal sound method is used when the user have to need. So I have to use the method as without abstract keyword. So void sleep. So I have to create this method as sleep. So I have to define the method system.out.println of. So the animal sound is Z. So the difference is once I have to given the abstract keyword inside in front of the method means you need not to define. So this is the definition for the particular method. So once you have to given the method as sleep without any abstract keyword, you must have to define this method. So if you not define in without the abstract keyword, the error message will be described in your runtime. So this is the class, and you have to give the abstract keyword for this particular method. So once you have to given the abstract keyword in front of the class means you need not to define create the object for the particular class. So this is the difference. So once you have to given the abstract keyword for this in front of the method means you need not to define the method. You need not to define give the definition for this method. Once you have to give the abstract keyword in front of the class means you need not to define the object for the particular class. So in this I have to create another class. So class cow extends. So this is the keyword which I already see. So extends, once you give the class name as extends animal. So once you give the extends keyword means you can access the method and attributes in a class animal. So in this I have to define the public. So public void animal sound. So the animal sound is I already defined as abstract method. So you need not to define this method. So you have to use this method when you need it. So public void animal sound. So in this animal sound I have to system.out.println. So ma. So I define this method. So you must define the method when you have to you need not to give the abstract methods. Okay. So this is the system.out.println. So I give the definition for the particular class. So I need not to create any method. You need not to any method. You need not to create any method for the particular definition. So I have created main function. So class main function. In that main function, I only create the object for the cow. So my class name is cow. So object dot cow equal to new cow. So in this you have to call the function as object dot cow dot. So your method name is animal sound. So this is the abstraction. So in this I have created object for the particular class as cow. So because I not given the abstract class, abstract keyword in this class, but I have given the abstract keyword in the class animal. So in this class I need not to create any object for this class. So thank you.